Hey guys! Today we are diving into a really interesting and somewhat wild topic. We are talking about the conspiracy theory that Wall Street might actually be creating financial crisis on purpose. Yeah, you heard that right. Could it be that the big players in finance are deliberately triggering economic meltdowns? Let's get into this wild theory and see what it's all about. Now, we all know that Wall Street has massive power when it comes to global finance. But this theory suggests that they use that power in a very shady way. Some people believe that right before a crisis hits, a bunch of secret meetings happen between the biggest financial elites, like the CEOs of the major banks and hedge funds. In these meetings, they supposedly plan how to manipulate the market their advantage, knowing full well that the rest of us are going to suffer. So the idea here is that by creating this crisis, they actually make more money. How? Well, they know the market's going to crash because they are the ones crashing it. They pull their investments out, short the market, or buy assets at rock bottom prices. When the market eventually recovers, boom, they are richer than ever. And meanwhile, the average person has lost their savings, their job, maybe even their home. Pretty scary stuff, right? A lot of people point to the 2008 financial crisis as evidence of this theory. Remember the housing bubble? According to this idea, Wall Street knew it was coming, and instead of stopping it, they let it happen, or even made it worse, so they could cash in. Banks were giving out risky loans they knew people couldn't afford, and when it all collapsed, they were bailed out by the government, while regular folks lost everything. Convenient, huh? Now, let's pause for a second. Is there actual proof that Wall Street is doing this on purpose? Well, here's where things get a bit tricky. While there is no solid evidence of secret meetings or a coordinated effort to crash the economy, there's a lot of shady behavior that makes people suspicious. For example, the way certain hedge funds seem to always profit during downturn, or how quickly the stock market bounces back for the rich while everyone else struggles. One reason this theory is so popular is because it just feels believable, right? Like we already know the financial system isn't exactly fair. The rich seems get richer no matter what, and the rest of us are left dealing with the fallout. So when a big crash happens, it's not hard to imagine that the people at the top might be pulling some strings. At the end of the day, this is a theory. An interesting one, but still is a theory. Whether you believe it or not, it does raise important questions about how much power Wall Street really has over our lives. So what do you think? Could Wall Street really be crashing the economy on purpose to get richer? Or is this just another wild conspiracy? Let me know in the comments. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into financial conspiracies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And hey, if you got any other crazy theories you want me to explore, drop them in the comments. See you next time!